Welcome to LearnDaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use multi-section tool. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं multi-section tool को. Let's begin. We are going to start with the creating new document. Click on part. As we are on the design workbench, first of all we are going to see the tool. As you can see, we are choosing the solid combine, below it multi-section solid. You can also find this option. Simply go to main menu, insert, sketch based feature and multi-section solid. So for using this tool we need more than one plane and we need to draw a sketch. So first of all we are going to draw a sketch. I'm going to select XY plane and start the sketch. So first of all we are going to draw a elongated hole. Okay, so now we are going to provide the constraint. Let's use 50. Okay, 120, 60. Okay, now we are going to exit the workbench and we are going to make another plane. Simply we are going to insert it. Simply we are going to shape and generative shape design. Let's set the plane. Simply we are going to offset it to 80 mm. Okay, so now we are going to mechanical design, select this plane and I'm going to start the sketch. So let's zoom out and now we are going to draw a rectangle. We are going to use the center rectangle. Now let's add the constraint. 220, 150. Okay, now let's exit the workbench. Now as you can see we have drawn two sketches on two different planes, same plane but at some distance. Okay, now let's use the tool multi-section workbench. Okay, now as you can see the window has been opened and we are going to first of all select the sketch. Okay, so we have selected our sketch. Now as you can see, okay, now you will see in the selected sketches you can see section 1, section 2. So now as you can see there is closing point 1 and closing point 2. You can see they are different in locations, so we are going to provide the same location so that we don't have to see any error. So now you will see we provide the same location, the closing point. Now we are going to use the option that is coupling. Simply we are going to click on it and as you can see the section coupling, you can provide the option tangency, then curvature, vertices. Simply we are going to use the option ratio because it joins the every sketch. Simply I'm going to click on it, and now I will press OK. Now you will see we have joined our sketch using the tool multi-section. Now we are going to see the other options in multi-section solid. Simply I am going to expand this design tree, and simply we are going to edit, and as you can see the other options we already told you: tangency, then curvature, and the vertices. Simply to use this, first of all we are going to undo this one. Okay, now in these options there is the need of vertex. Simply you can find the rectangle has 4 vertex and the slot has 6 vertex when they are joined. So I want to you to know how is this possible. Simply we are going to choose the multi-section solid, and now I'm going to select the sketches, and first of all we are going to replace the closing point. Okay, now you can see if I press OK, first of all let's see the coupling. You can see the option tangency then curvature. I'm simply going to press OK. Okay, now you will see the vertex, number of vertex that joins together: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So the slot has 6 vertex and it joins the rectangle. Now I am going to simply choose the ratio and press OK. So as you can see it joins the multi-section body. Now let's learn how to use these options. So for using these options, let's undo these ones. Okay, now for using the other option we need same number of vertex. So we are going to provide the rectangle same number of vertex 6. Simply we are going to generative shape design. Now we are going to add the points. Simply I am choosing this section and I am going to provide the point. Okay, press OK. Same, we are going to provide the point. Okay, for the slot we are also going to provide the point. Okay, press OK. So now you can see we have the same number of vertex: 4, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly in rectangle 4 vertices. So and 2 we added the vertex using the generative shape design workbench. So now we are going to exit this one and go to part design. Now we are going to select the options multi-section solid. So first of all we are going to select this curve and slot and replace the closing point, and now I am going to choose this point. Also I am going to change the closing point, this one. Okay, now you will see we are going to option coupling, the option that we are going to choose tangency then curvature. Okay, now we are going to add the coupling. Simply I'm going to add this one. Okay, this and this one. this point and this point. Now let's add the other points. Okay, coupling 2. We are going to add coupling 3. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry. First of all, we need to select this point and then this one. Okay. Now let's add the coupling 4, this one and this vertex. And the remaining last point, simply I'm going to add this point and this point. Okay, now let's see the preview. So you can see we have choose the point section coupling, tangency, then curvature, and add the couplings. Okay, so now I want you to see this one. I want you to show in different views. Okay, you can see it. So let's use the simple view. Okay, let's exit. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool multi-section solid. So I hope you like this video and thank you.